The Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung's future flagship phone that doesn't fold, looks like it will be a beast. There are rumors that it might come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm's most powerful mobile CPU to date. In other places, it might have the Exynos 2600. Things are about to get even more exciting. A new leak has spread information about the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It breaks down the chip's CPU and GPU power and confirms that Qualcomm will release two versions of the chip. Also, guess what? Reports say that Samsung is only getting the faster model for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Digital Chat Station, a reliable source on Weibo, says that the normal version of the chip will have two very fast CPU cores clocked at 4.61 GHz. The faster version, on the other hand, has even faster cores clocked at 4.74 GHz. It's said that Samsung will be happy to show off this special edition, which they will probably call the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. With 6 powerful cores running at 3.6363 GHz and an Adreno 840 GPU running at 1.2 GHz. Both models are real powerhouses. Honor, iQOO, OnePlus, Realme, and Xiaomi are likely to stick with the standard version this year, but Samsung is certainly putting its best foot forward right away. The fact that those same Chinese brands might also get the faster version next year is interesting. Even more exciting is the rumor that Qualcomm is working on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which could once again change the way top phones are made. I said 2 months ago that Samsung made the right choice when they took Bluetooth out of the S Pen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. To be honest, not many people ever used it. Because it was so complicated, it took away from the pen's value instead of adding to it. To be honest, most people don't even need a S Pen that's built in. A lot of room in the phone could be used for something much more useful is taken up by the silo. What if that room had been used for a bigger battery instead of a stylus that most owners don't use? And that's why the new rumor is so interesting. The Galaxy S26 Ultra might not have a drawer at all. Don't worry though. The S Pen was still there. It would probably still come in the box, but not in the phone. It could instead snap to the side magnetically, like the Apple Pencil on an iPad or the way Samsung computers are held. It's clean, simple, and useful, but it costs a lot. The S Pen box takes up valuable space. And in high-end phones, every millimeter counts. Setting it free could lead to bigger changes. A new main camera with a changeable aperture, the 3x telephoto lens being taken out, and most importantly, room for a much bigger battery. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.